I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your JEE Mains City Intimation. This crucial step helps you prepare for the exam by providing your assigned test city and date well before the admit card. It's designed to give you ample time to make necessary travel and accommodation plans, ensuring a smoother experience on exam day. Let's dive into the process. To access your city intimation slip, first navigate to the official JEE Main website. On the home page, you will find a prominent link specifically for the city intimation slip. Click on this link and you will be prompted to enter your application number and your date of birth. Ensure these details are accurate to proceed. Once logged in, your city intimation slip will clearly display your assigned examination city, along with your specific exam date and the shift you are scheduled for. Remember, this slip is solely for city intimation. It does not contain your exact examination center details, which will be provided later on your official admit card. After checking your city intimation, carefully review all the displayed information. Your official admit card, containing the precise examination center address and other vital instructions, will be released a few days before the exam. If you notice any discrepancies on your city intimation slip, it is crucial to contact the examination authorities immediately for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.